Welcome to Nova Mathics. Today we're going to have fun solving some cool division questions with cookies, pizzas, balloons, and more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting math adventures. Are you ready? Let's go and smash it. What is 48 divided by 6? Imagine you baked 48 cookies. You want to share them with 6 friends. Start giving cookies one by one until they are all gone. When you finish, each friend is holding 8 cookies. So, 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. What is 36 divided by 4? Picture 36 balloons ready for a party. You tie them to 4 chairs. You keep tying until all 36 balloons are used. Now each chair has 9 balloons. So, 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. What is 63 divided by 7? Think of 63 candies and 7 monsters waiting to eat. You share the candies equally. Each monster gets the same amount, and it turns out to be 9 candies each. So, 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. What is 45 divided by 5? Imagine you have 45 pizza slices. There are 5 football players. Share the slices fairly until they are gone. Each player gets 9 slices. So, 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. What is 56 divided by 8? Think about 56 ice creams and 8 penguins at a party. Give each penguin 1 ice cream at a time. In the end, every penguin has 7 ice creams. So, 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7. What is 72 divided by 9? There are 72 cookies baked by Grandma. She gives them to 9 puppies. She keeps sharing until no cookie is left. Each puppy gets 8 cookies. So, 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. What is 81 divided by 9? Imagine 81 chocolates and 9 pirates. Each pirate gets the same number. When you finish sharing, each pirate has 9 chocolates. So, 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. What is 24 divided by 3? There are 24 cupcakes and 3 dragons. Each dragon wants the same amount. You share fairly, and every dragon gets 8 cupcakes. So, 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. What is 32 divided by 4? Picture 32 sandwiches for a picnic. You spread them on 4 blankets. In the end, each blanket has 8 sandwiches. So, 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. What is 18 divided by 6? You have 18 toy cars. There are 6 kids ready to race. When you share fairly, each kid gets 3 cars to play with. So, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. What is 27 divided by 3? There are 27 apples and 3 teachers. Give apples one by one until all are gone. Each teacher ends up with 9 apples. So, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. What is 64 divided by 8? Look up at 64 shining stars. They are shared with 8 astronauts. Every astronaut gets 8 stars to wish upon. So, 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. What is 90 divided by 10? There are 90 candies for 10 clowns. Each clown juggles the same number of candies. At the end, each clown has 9 candies. So, 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. What is 50 divided by 5? Imagine 50 pencils in a classroom. There are 5 artists ready to draw. Each artist takes 10 pencils. So, 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. What is 42 divided by 6? Think about 42 bananas and 6 monkeys in the jungle. Share the bananas fairly. Each monkey gets 7 bananas. So, 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Thank you for watching Nova Mathics. I hope you had fun learning division with us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting math adventures. Stay tuned, because more videos are coming soon. See you next time.